Hello guys, welcome to this course. In this lesson we shall study about eukaryotic cell. Well, I have described the eukaryotic cell in a brief manner in the previous lesson, but in this lesson we shall discuss in a detailed manner, okay? So this course is presented by me, Navneet. You can know more about me from here. You can follow me on this link, and if you like the lesson, kindly rate, review and recommend. Now beginning with the lesson. First of all, we will study the differences between pro and eukaryotic cells. These are the characteristic features. These are the features of prokaryotic cells, and these are the features of eukaryotic cells. Okay. Now the nuclear envelope, it is absent in prokaryotic cell and present in eukaryotic cell. DNA, it is single, circular and naked in prokaryotic cells. It is more than one and combined with proteins in eukaryotic cells. Chromosome, it is single in prokaryotic cell and multiple in eukaryotic cell. Nucleolus, it is absent in prokaryotic cell and present in eukaryotic cell. Division is a mitosis. It occurs in a prokaryotic cell, and mitosis or meiosis occurs in eukaryotic cell only. Ribosomes, they are of 70S type, that is 50 plus 30S, and found scattered in the cytoplasm in the prokaryotic cells, and they are of 80S type, that is 60 plus 40S, found which are found attached to the ER or free in cytoplasm. Endomembranes are absent in prokaryotic cell and are present in eukaryotic cells. Next we have cell organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast, lysosomes, peroxisomes, and the cytoskeleton. All are absent in the prokaryotic cells. Only the chloroplasts are absent in animal cells also, but these are present in plant cells only. So all these other things, that is mitochondria, lysosomes, peroxisome and cytoskeleton, are present in eukaryotic cell, which are absent in prokaryotic cells. Cell wall, it is non-cellulosic in prokaryotic cell, and it is made up of cellulose only in plant cells in the eukaryotic cell. Respiratory enzymes, these are located in the plasma membrane in prokaryotic cell, and these are found enclosed in the mitochondria in eukaryotic cell. Okay. Next we have the animal cell structure. Shape of the cell. The shape of the cell is variable. The cells of unicellular forms, leukocytes and bacteria, exhibit a number of shapes, and those of multicellular organisms exhibit still further variations. Their shapes may be rounded, cylindrical, irregular, triangular and tubular. Okay. Now size of the cells. Size is extremely variable, measuring from 1 micron to 175 millimeter. The ostrich egg cell is 176 millimeter in diameter, thus visible to a naked eye. The nerve cell is found in mammals, may reach to a length of 3 to 3.5 feet. Smaller cells are those of the pleuropneumonia-like organism, that is PPLO. Thus, in the ostrich egg cell is the largest cell. The nerve cell of mammals is the longest cell, and PPLO cell, that is of the pleuropneumonia-like organisms, are the smallest cells. Plasma membrane, a porous membrane which surrounds the cytoplasm, is called the plasma membrane. It is composed of outer, inner protein layers, and in between them double-layered lipids are present. Robertson called plasma membrane a unit membrane. Okay. The main function of plasma membrane is to regulate the entry and exit of substances. Cytoplasm, the part of protoplasm outside the nucleus, is known as cytoplasm. It is distinguished as an outer non-granular thick ectoplasm and inner granular thin endoplasm. In the cytoplasm, many organelles are present. Cell organelles, we shall begin with them. First of all, we will study the centrosome. It is the center of the cell, discovered by Van Bendane in 1887. It is found near the nucleus and includes a specialized portion of cytoplasm called centrosome. Its matrix is called as kinoplasm, in which two centrioles are embedded. Each centriole consists of 9 fibrillar units, and each fibrillar unit is found to contain 3 microtubules. Okay. The function of centrioles is to form the spindle at the time of cell division. This is a diagram of an animal cell. You can refer to it for understanding, for having a better understanding. Okay. Nextly, we have endoplasmic reticulum. In this cytoplasm, a network of tubules are present. It is called endoplasmic reticulum. The network of tubules will be of two types. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. On the surface of the tubules, ribosomes are absent. Hence, they are called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum or a granular endoplasmic reticulum because they appear to be smooth in surface as ribosomes are absent. But in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, on the surface of the tubules, ribosomes are present. It is thus called as rough endoplasmic reticulum because of its rough appearance due to the presence of ribosomes. This is called as granular endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum will connect plasma membrane nucleus and other organelles. Next we have ribosomes. It is a small particle present in the cytoplasm. They will be attached to the cell organelles and they are also freely distributed in the cytoplasm. In a eukaryotic cell, 80 ribosomes are present. This ribosome is made by two subunits. They are 40S and 60S subunits. Okay, S means the Sevedberg unit. Okay, ribosome is made by proteins and RNA. Golgi complex discovered by Camillo Golgi. They are also called as dictyosomes and iodosomes. They are connected with the secretory function. They store proteins and lipids. During cell division, they produce cell plate. During the formation of sperm, they will form the acrosome of the sperm, which will help the sperm to penetrate the outer surface of or outer covering of the ovum. Okay. Mitochondria. These are first described by Altman as bioplasts in 1894. They were named as mitochondria by Benda in 1897. They are filamentous or rod-like structures. The mitochondria are covered by layers. Inner membrane is folded inside. These foldings are called as cristae. On these cristae, oxysomes are present. In the central matrix of mitochondria, respiratory enzymes are present. They take up Krebs cycles reactions. In the inner membrane of mitochondrion, electron transport enzymes are present. Okay, the central part thus takes part in the Krebs cycle, and the inner membrane takes part in the electron transport. The mitochondria helps in the oxidation of food material and liberates energy. Hence, they are called as the powerhouses of cell. In the mitochondria, a circular DNA is present. Hence, the mitochondria is also called as semi-autonomous body. Lysosome. They are described by Dewey. Each lysosome is round in shape. It is covered by lipoprotein layer. It contains hydrolytic enzymes. It is useful for the intracellular digestion and autolysis of the cell. A lysosome can dissolve the cell, hence lysosomes are called as the suicidal bags of the cell, as they can perform the autolysis of the cell. Okay. Next we have the nucleus. In a eukaryotic cell, a definite nucleus is present. It is 5 to 25 microns in size. It shows the following parts. A nuclear membrane. A nucleus is covered by a nuclear membrane in eukaryotes especially. It is made by two layers, and between the two layers, perinuclear space is present. In the nuclear membrane, small openings are present. Around each opening on the outside, a small annulus is present. Nucleoplasm. Below the nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm is present. In this, glycoproteins, RNA, and enzymes are also present. Finally, we have the chromatin network. In the nuclear spot, many chromosomes are present. They are thin and filamentous. They are in the form of network. On the chromosomes, genes are present. They are the units of heredity. Nucleolus. In the nucleoplasm, one or two round structures are present. They are called as nucleoli. They contain proteins and RNA. They produce the ribosomes. Functions. It is the seat of life in the cell. It carries hereditary characters from one generation to another generation. With the help of RNAs and DNAs, it produces nucleic acids. Okay, So this lesson ends here. In the upcoming lessons, we shall talk about these cell organelles in a detailed manner. Okay. So I hope you guys like the lesson. Thank you for watching.